In this video, we will be taking a look at how a recipe works in stock maintenance. A recipe is multiple items compiled into one bigger item called a recipe. To make a recipe, you'll need to decide on what it entails. In this example, we will be making a fruit and nuts mix of 500 grams in total. To start, you'll need to go to Stock Maintenance and then click on Add Stock Item. On the next screen, first fill in the description as shown in this example. Next, you will need to change the stock type to recipe. Once you completed these steps, go ahead and click OK. Once that is completed, follow the on-screen example to add items to your recipe. You can do that by selecting the item you just created, and at the bottom of the screen, select Add to Recipe. On the next screen, you'll see that you can add multiple items, and there is a quantity section as well. In this example, we will be adding a few different fruits and nuts. Please note, after the item is selected, the quantity section needs to be filled out. To add an item to the recipe, first you'll need to click on the magnifying glass to start adding items as shown in the example. Next, you will need to select the relevant item on the next screen and then click OK to add it. Once the item has been added, you'll need to change the quantity of the item and then confirm by pressing Enter on your keyboard. You can repeat the process until all relevant items are on the list. Once you've completed this section, go ahead and click on OK. Like shown earlier, you need to open Stock Maintenance and select the relevant item you want to add stock to. Next, at the bottom of the screen, click on Edit Recipe. We will be changing the labels we added earlier. Since we added the wrong label, first we need to delete the current item we would like to remove and then add the right one. In this section, we are going to delete stock from a recipe. First, click on Stock Maintenance and then search the item you would like to make edits on. If you need to change the recipe, first follow the on-screen instructions by selecting specific items under the recipe and then clicking Delete. After that, we will be deleting the entire recipe item from the system. After the item has been deleted, you will need to refresh the screen to see the changes. You can do that by clicking on Get Data. Well done, you've completed this step. Keep up the great work and join us for the next video. Thank you for watching.